Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. Today's video, I'll be giving you the sweetest bass line for your praise, okay? Okay guys, but before I start the breakdown, I do private class lessons, and if you're interested, click on this link, or you see the link in the description or in the comment below. Click on any of the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. You can also join my bass group, okay? This is my bass group. You can see it is free to join, okay? Just click on this link or click on the link you will see in the comment section or in the description to take you direct to the group. Just join, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial.
Kindly subscribe to Ya Bass YouTube channel and also click the notification bell.
Okay guys, so the song was played on key D, okay? Your D major, okay? Okay, so I'll be teaching you everything I played in the song, and I want you to understand everything I did in the song, okay? I didn't just play it for no reason. There are some things you need to know before you can start applying these cool lines in your praise, okay? So stick to the end so that you don't miss anything I'm about to teach you. But please, quick notice to you guys, if you are not in Ghana and you're outside Ghana, you can just understand the progression and learn the bass line, okay? You can also learn this bass line and apply it to your own local song or to your own bass covers, okay? So the intro goes like this. Bam, 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 da, da. Okay, that is why I started with the bass line. So da, da. Okay, that is a groove for that. La 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 do so ti do. Okay, so da 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 da. Then back to your la. Okay, so I did something like this. Back to my la. Okay, so la 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 do so ti do. You see where I'm plucking at the front here near the fret, you understand? So you do it this way. La so la so, so you just pluck once on your la, you see? So la so, then you pluck on your mi and your la. Okay, so la so mi la. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, so learn it. Da da. So the next progression, da re so so do. Okay, so the full progression goes like this: da la so do la re so do. Okay, so let's continue with the re so do, and I did a cool technique over here. So do re, then I slide to, you can see on the D here on your 12th fret, if you count from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, on the second string you have your do, okay? Then your normal major scale do re mi fa, you have your do and fa. So I did do re, then I slided to my, I slided from my T and mi, okay? T and mi. So you see, so on my first string I played mi fa, but my second string my finger was still on the T, okay? Then now on my re, so my T will now go to the re, the finger, you see? Okay, so dun dun dun, you understand? So dun 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 dun, then you come back to your do. I hope you're getting it, okay? So the full goes like this. Dun, da, 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 da. You see? So learn that, capture that, okay? So when you're done playing that do, now the progression from there goes da, da, ti, la, okay? So do, ti, la, okay? Do, ti, la. So let's look at the do, ti, la for now. So do, okay? So you can also add this, okay? So but what I played is la, do, ti, played so stylish, okay? Then you play your re mi, then back to my la. So from my do, the T alone plays re mi do ti la. Okay, but I didn't play do ti la. I played ti do la. I didn't play do ti la. I played ti do la. So see the difference from do ti la and ti do la. Okay, so okay, so now to my soul, I played. Okay, I think that was what I played. So okay, so now back to my do to the la, do la. Okay, on my la. So do mi so la ti la. Okay, do mi so la ti la. Then you vibrate on there. If you study my play, I was doing the vibrato almost in every lines I played, just to change. You can give it a word on that place.
It is what it is.
Okay, so as you can see, do mi so, then you come to your re mi. Okay, I play the re mi fa so on the top here. So re mi fa so do. I've done this before. Okay, so it's like I'm doing the walking bass. Okay, so now let's move on to the song. Okay, so the da 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 da. So I did. So on your so do so re mi mi do re re do. Okay, da 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 da. Okay, this is normal for most of you. So do ti la re. So that is the progression I mentioned. Okay, da 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 do da la la re. So the do. Now to my la. See this cool passing note. Re mi la ti la. Re mi la ti la. Okay, so re. So re mi la ti la re la re. So then if you listen to the video very well, the video I played, I did a very cool lines over here. Okay, I'm on my soul. Okay, so you see, so you can add that to your groove too. So you slide to your re mi do re. So it looked like even the first one, but this one I ended on the T. So you can do the slide. Okay, so that's on your so. Now to your la. Da 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 da. Okay, so the normal progression, people will say da 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 da. Okay, or da 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 da. But I did it this way. Da la fa mi. So after I played, so I'll now play my la to my fa, la fa mi. Okay. You see where I started and where it took me to, from my la to my fa, and the note I played was very cool. It's so la do re fa. Okay, you can learn that. Okay, so la do re fa. Okay, so now to my mi and back to my la. Okay, fa mi. I once did this before. That is re mi so mi do mi la. Okay, then back to your re la re so do. So now from my do, I'm coming to my la. So this is the feel I played on the do to la. You can do it that way, very easy. So it goes up. That is la ti so mi do ti la. Okay, la ti so mi do ti la. Okay, then you continue to your fa, fa, then fa. Okay, so your fa and your mi, you play it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so remember that from your fa here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so fa mi, that is the progression, but the groove goes like this. Okay, then pa 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 pa. So do. Okay, so now when you end on the do, so the second place she sang was oh baby, you understand? She continued, so I did dun. Okay, it's very simple. Do re do, so la so, re mi re la. Okay, then I did, so I did something like this. Okay, so la, because I know I'll be going to my soul, so da da da. So I did dun, 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 dun. That's to my soul. Re so do. Now back to my la. Okay, you saw the cool lines I play. So do, then you slide to your la. Re mi re la. Okay, re mi re la. Okay, then your re mi fa fi so do, then your normal la, da da. I think that was what I played to my la, fa da. You see the re mi, so re mi so mi, re mi so mi, re do ti la. Okay, do re mi fa la so do. Okay, so da da da, do re fa dun, 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 dun. Okay, re mi so mi, re do ti la, do re mi fa so, sorry, fi so do, or your normal ending you used to playing a song. Okay, so it is not compulsory for you to play the whole bass line throughout. You can pick 2 or 3 lines from this lesson and apply it to your own song, so that you can also change your own groove to another way. Okay, so I'll see you guys later, and I'll be doing the worship lesson very soon, so don't miss it. Okay.